लैक्मे फैशन वीक की शुरुआत शिल्पा और सुष्मिता सेन ने की और दूसरे दिन श्रीलंकर ब्यूटी जैकलिन दिखी ब्राइडल अवतार में। तो वहीं थर्ड डे पर बॉलीवुड की कई ब्यूटीज ने शोकेस किए डिफरेंट अटायर्स। जैसे डस्की ब्यूटी चित्रांगदा रही शो स्टॉपर डिजाइनर हर्षिता चैटर्जी के लिए, एक्टर श्रिया सरन शो स्टॉपर बनी डिजाइनर शशिकांत नायडू के लिए, जन्नत स्टारर सोनल चौहान देखी डिजाइनर पूर्वी दोषी के साथ, नेहा धूपिया ने भी शोकेस किया डिजाइनर स्वाति की कलेक्शन को। एक्ट्रेस कुनकुना सेन गुप्ता दिखी मेटेलिक साड़ी में डिजाइनर अनाविला मिश्रा के लिए। इतना ही नहीं, इन ब्यूटीज के अलावा जैकपॉट एक्टर सचिन जोशी ने शोकेस की डिजाइनर कृष्णा मेहता की कलेक्शन।
Different than what you see. It's also going back to a lot of tradition. It's not just cool, or it's not just trying to be modern, but I think it's got the Indian back in a most beautiful way, in the most traditional way. And I'm a big fan of traditional. I'm a big fan of things that are old and vintage, and it's got that feel to it, So I think the whole collection is beautiful, and the way she's also put the jewelry together, and every small detail if you see on the garment, whether it is the tie backs, everything has been specially ordered, right? It's been crafted specially by craftsmen from down south. In fact, I was telling her, that she should be doing jewelry, more jewelry, like temple jewelry, bring it more into fashion, to a more modern version, because I think even those little bits of metal pieces that she's used on the garments are so beautiful and so traditional at the same time, So yeah, I think she's going great, and I loved it. Thank you.
Wonderful to be here, to be walking as the showstopper for Swati. For me, I always feel that it's not how much time one has spent making clothes, but it's the kind of clothes that one makes. And Swati is somebody who's newer than most other designers I know, but I'm here to endorse her this evening only because of the fact that I think her designs are absolutely wonderful. They're something that are wearable. It's not when you see it, it's not like something that you can only enjoy on the ramp and not off it. She thinks of making every woman look beautiful in her clothes, and that's what she's done with the beautiful colors, the play of fabrics. And what's interesting is that she has so many different pieces, and even today I have like almost 6 different pieces on, like trousers and skirt and a blouse and a scarf and a jacket, but it still doesn't look like it's too much, and it's just layered so beautifully. And like she said, we're all getting ready for the festive season, but I'd like to change that. Her clothes are not just for the festive season, they're for every season. So for me, I would wear Swati's outfits all the time, and that's one of the reasons why I walked the ramp for her.
Inspired from history, our own cultural heritage. In fact, in the saris, she's tried to show, I think, the different status of society that we had. Starting from, the potters and the craftsmen, like I think Priyanka Bose's sari is, one of that, and moving right up to, the priests and the nobility, which is probably why I'm wearing, gold and bronze, and this was in the bronze era, right? So I'm just really happy because I think that it's the sensibility of a novella is something that I can really relate to, and I really respect and admire. And I think it matches my mental makeup really well as well.
The Ganesha or the long skirts, and how, like you said, you can mix and match. And at the same time, it has, they're very Indian, very traditional, and yet have a very modern twist to it. That's what I love about this collection.
The design for me makes me just feel like a Rajput princess, and the jewelry obviously complements the whole look. Well, I don't really know so much about the technicalities of it, but all I can say is that what I'm wearing looks really nice, and it makes me look beautiful. And I think the most important responsibility of a designer, especially when they're designing for a woman, is to make her feel like a woman, and I totally feel like one.
First thing I wore this, I felt very confident, and I told Krishna that clothes like these give you a lot of confidence, and makes you feel who you are and makes you feel completed. And it's such a great line that she's come up with, and especially what I heard now of her, that she's used a lot of talent which is mentally retarded or in a way physically challenged in certain forms. I'm very touched, and it's a great thing that we're doing.
सो ये तो थी गॉर्जियस ब्यूटीज और एक्टर सचिन जोशी, जिन्होंने शोकेस किए डिफरेंट अटायर्स। नाउ विल सी इस फैशन वीक में और कौन से सेलेब्स शामिल होते हैं। एंटरटेनमेंट डेस्क से प्रीति सिंह के लिए जयदीप मित्रा, डे एंड नाइट न्यूज।
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।